Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to get Robinhood cash card. So here's a simple step-by-step guide and a straightforward illustration on how you can easily get Robinhood cash card. So the first thing to do for you to be able to get your Robinhood cash card is to open the Robinhood app and log in into your account, and make sure your account is verified with your ID. So which means your account must be ID verified, and also you must have a Robinhood cash spending account. So after that, once you confirm that, tap the cash card icon or go to the cash spending tab in your account, then tap get cash card or other card. So choose a card design when prompted, then confirm your shipping address and personal details. Tap submit to place the order. Wait for delivery. Sometimes it usually takes between few days or 2 weeks, depends on your geographical location. So when the card arrived, open your app, click the cash card section, then tap activate card. Follow the screen step prompt, follow the on-screen step prompt to set up your PIN and finish the activation. You can also add a card to Apple or Google Wallet for contactless payment, and even app security, which is the phrase card for 2FA, and that's it. So here's a quick pattern tip you have to put into consideration. So if you don't see the get cash card option, check that your account is fully verified and that cash spending is available in your region. So if you don't have cash spending in your region, you might not have access to apply for Robinhood cash card, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.